Looking for the perfect Christmas treat? Dive into the festive season with a delightful blend of taste and creativity. Rudolph Red Velvet Cupcakes, a tantalizing mystery of flavor and charm, waiting to be unraveled. Stay tuned as we reveal the secret to making these adorable and delicious treats. First and foremost, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Add to this 2 eggs, a cup of buttermilk, and half a cup of vegetable oil. Don't forget the essentials for any red velvet recipe: 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a dash of red food coloring. For the frosting, grab a pack of cream cheese, some powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Once you have all your ingredients ready, we can start the baking process. Now that we have everything in place, it's time to put on your apron. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. While that's heating up, combine your dry ingredients in one bowl and your wet ones in another. Then, slowly blend the two together, ensuring a smooth, velvety batter. When it comes to red velvet, the secret is in the cocoa and vinegar. It's what gives our cupcakes that classic, rich flavor. Once mixed, scoop your batter into your cupcake liners, filling them about 2/3 full. Pop them in your preheated oven and let them bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. With these steps, you'll have your red velvet cupcakes ready in no time. We're almost there. Now comes the fun part: decoration. Start by adding a dollop of red frosting for Rudolph's shiny nose. Use pretzels creatively to form the antlers and finish off with a pair of edible eyes. And voila! Your Rudolph Red Velvet Cupcakes are ready to be devoured. There you have it, folks. Whipping up these adorable Rudolph Red Velvet Cupcakes is as easy as pie and twice as fun. So why not try your hand at it? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Happy baking and Merry Christmas!